I'll launch notes here to show the installation process such that it is. So what the project actually is so if you go to the OpenNTF page, and then you were to download it from there, what you get is a zip that contains an update site. So much like the OpenNTF Domino API or POI for XPages, the way to install it is to install it in Domino, usually in one of these NSF-based update sites, and install it in Notes using file application install. So that process is the same for everything else. There's no other configuration you have to put on your server. So once you have that installed on there, restart HTTP, restart your Notes client. In Designer, then under page generation, you get all of these XPages libraries. And so you opt into it the same way that you would opt into the OpenNTF Domino API or the extension library. Right now, there's a lot of them because the way I was originally doing this was one library per spec. I'm probably going to shrink this down into just one or two eventually, but the idea will be the same, which is that you basically say this NSF now opts into this library. And so you go through, you check these, and then now you have all of these abilities in your NSF.
Looks like you're running version 12.
Yes. So strictly speaking, all but one of the specs should work in 901 FB10 and above. Admittedly, I have not tested this in a while because I haven't used that in a while. But they all absolutely need Java 8 and that newer OSGI framework. The JNoSQL stuff that I haven't touched on yet, that will require 12, I think 12.0 or 12.01 because it uses the query results processor to go along with DQL. So that one just has a hard requirement on newer Domino. But all the rest should, in theory, work with FB10 and above. But I would say at least 11, just because right now, at the moment, 11 and 11.01 pretty solid, should work great with this. I am using 12.01 for my local development and dev server.